Dios, siéntate acá y me está tratando de hacer mal. What the fuck? Se está moviendo eso, yo no lo estoy moviendo, boludo. Amigo, se está moviendo la mano. What the fuck? What the fuck? Amigo, estoy escuchando cómo suben las escaleras todo el tiempo. Acá en casa. Y estoy solo. No hay nadie. Se escucha fortísimo, amigo.
Amigo, ¿o estoy loco o se está moviendo la mesa del comedor sola? Mirá. O sea, ¿ves? ¿Ves que se está moviendo eso? La mesa recién se está moviendo ahí, boludo. Mirá, boludo. ¿Qué miedo? Claramente me voy a volver loco, boludo. Esto es un espíritu, no es otra cosa, mirá. Mirá, boludo, no.
The following video comes from a YouTuber known as the Witch Hunter, who has been plagued by a sinister force ever since he settled into his new residence. Tranquil nights have become a rarity, overshadowed by eerie voices echoing through the walls, unexplained objects toppling over, and, on particularly frightening nights, waking up with bizarre marks adorning his skin. He has been chronicling his unsettling experiences on his channel for some time, taking advice and suggestions from his audience, yet none have alleviated his torment. On this specific evening, he decides to perform a ritual recommended by someone in the comments section, oblivious to the fact that it would exacerbate his terrifying ordeal. Here's a snippet of the experience.
Да, друзья, это просто какой-то кошмар. Твою мать. Спаси, сохрани, Господи. Господи, пусть это прекратится.
Oh my god. His frantic cries signal an escalation beyond comprehension. It seems that whatever he did during that ritual incensed the malicious spirits dwelling in his home. Items from the kitchen began to shift and move, reminiscent of scenes from a horror film unfolding right before his eyes. But what went wrong? It wasn't simply the ritual's nature. It was who or what it was aimed at. Originally designed to expel restless spirits, the ritual unwittingly provoked a far more menacing entity. In a subsequent divination session, he realized he was contending with a formidable demon identified as Vawak. It appeared he inadvertently offended the demon by utilizing a ritual intended for lesser beings, thus exacerbating his predicament. And then, well, here's what happened next.
Твою мать, у меня кровь. Сука. Твою мать. Черт. Блять. Что это? Сука, это реально кровь. Хуйня. Блять. Твою мать. Сука. Умри, умри, умри. Надо валить из этой квартиры. Если ты здесь, ты можешь дать мне знак. Выйди на контакт с помощью доски Уиджи. Начинается. Напиши свое имя. Кто ты? В. А. Л. О. К. Ты Вавак? Да. Черт возьми. Это демон. Вавак. Что это значит, Вавак? Он передвинул планшетку на прощай.
Imagine being in a similar position, brand new to your surroundings and suddenly experiencing inexplicable and distressing phenomena. This year I am stepping it up. Daily uploads, more scares, and endless nightmares. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and keep the fear rolling.